On the island paradise of Jamaica lived a man with a strange name.
Aloysius, idiomatic, gossamer, impracticable.
Strange friends.
Hello? Go away, you damn thief!
He is talking to the tree again.
And some very strange ideas. Strangely enough, he was happy. Shh! Until he met a woman with some strange inclinations of her own.
What happened?
Me finish.
The Daily News says it's sunny fun with a kicky reggae beat. American Movie calls it reminiscent of Baghdad Cafe. Unrelentingly goofy, one of the most original movies in years. And the Village Voice says it's a hoot and a half. From Academy Entertainment comes a love story for a crazy world.
You are lunatic!
The Lunatic.